Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video it is a Curlbox unboxing. So Curlbox is a monthly subscription where they send you products, shampoo, conditioner, stylers. Now I used to subscribe to Curlbox 3-4 years ago. I stopped the subscription, but they have a non-subscription box and they partner up with Bouclème, which is a UK hair brand. I saw it. This is $35. But it retails for I think over $100. So let's unbox, let's see what's in it. I already know this is in it because this actually came, I'm gonna show you how it came in the mail. This way is better. So it came like this. So this is the first product that we're gonna talk about. So this is the Intensive Moisture Treatment. Now with this brand, I'm excited to try their product because first, they're based in the UK, so I can't get it locally. So any new hair products, I'm always interested to try out, but it is a clean brand as well. So let's open this box for real. I'm 1:50 seconds in, let's start. So once you open it up, it does have these little brochures in it. So this month's hair inspiration is straight out of the UK. So it has a curl cleanser, a curl conditioner, a curl cream, an intensive moisture treatment, and a curl defining gel. Okay, so this is the outside of the box. And then we're gonna open it up. Now I already read everything's in it, but like look how pretty it looks. Everything is colorful and I'm excited to try it out. I mean, organize it better. So this is how it looks in the box. They are full-size products. They look huge and I'm excited to try it out. So that's how the product looks in the box, but let's get into more details on how it works, what is the function, what is it all about. So starting with the curl cleanser. So this says that it is a zero foam for maximum hydration. This non-foaming cleanser gently cleans without stripping, leaving curls hydrated and moisturized. And next we have the curl conditioner. Now it says this ultra moisturizing conditioner penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, perfect for all curls type. The ingredients of this, so you know me, I love anything with aloe vera in it, and it does have, so looking at it, I feel like it's gonna have a very citrus scent. Yeah, you see that it has that orange sweet peel, rosemary leaf, some menthol. So I really want to do maybe a first impression wash day using them. If not, I'll update you guys on a video, but let's move on to the next one. So this right here is the curl cream. So this nourishing and moisture replenishing leave-in curl cream creates soft, shiny, and well-defined curls for medium and tight curl types. And then the curls redefine, which is a curl defining gel. This smoothing medium hold gel gives all day frizz control and incredible curl definition. So what is the ingredient list looking for here? So I'm looking at that argan oil. I see that it does have coconut oil. It does have that citrus peel oil, rosemary again. I'm excited. And the last product here is that intensive moisture treatment. The intensive moisture treatment give parched hair life with this highly moisturizing conditioner formulated with marula oil, mafura butter, camellia oil, and more, designed to deliver an emollient boost. The extra hydration makes hair easier to manipulate without breakage.
Do the colors remind you of like any candy or something? Like it looks like a sweet.
It does. And I wonder if the color is kind of how it's gonna smell. Like automatically when I think of this, when I see this color, I think of like citrus, I think of lemon. This one I would think that it would smell like oranges. This one might have like maybe a fruiter, like a fruity smell, like maybe fruit punch or like a watermelon or strawberry. So I think I'm gonna open it. And I'm completely wrong.
Oh.
No, yeah, right. No, it smells like
it does not smell like milk.
Wait. Like an herbally scent, like herbs.
Yeah, like herbs, like a tea.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So it smells like tea.
I like it. No, it's like sweet as well.
I don't find it to be that sweet.
Smell it longer.
Initially, it kind of smelled like a paint. Like it just
smells like tea of some sort.
Okay, so it kind of smells like tea. This was not what I expected. So let me see this curl. I want to smell the shampoo. Which one is the shampoo? This curl cleanser.
Minty?
I hope so. A little bit minty, but I think it has the same scent, which is kind of on the softer tea level. It smells like tea. Oh wow, it says right here. It says you won't find silicones, paraben, phthalates, synthetic colors, or synthetic fragrances, but you'll be able to rely on the power of nature for your curl need. So that's pretty interesting here. So these are how the product smells. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this. So this curl defining gel, This one is a little bit more stronger and it has a lemon scent. This one actually kind of goes with the color. And then let's see this curl conditioner. This one is softer, so this kind of goes with the whole tea scent. Very soft, is nothing too strong. And then let me try this product. So this is the mask. This is different. It smells like a body lotion to me. I would say it's like a fragrant body lotion. Because you know sometimes with body lotions, they say that there's like no fragrance, but it smells like something. Not bad. I actually like I like how calm it is. So this one I'm excited to try. This intensive moisture treatment, just like looking at it, it looks like it's gonna make my hair feel really soft. Out of all these products, the one that I'm most excited to try out, I would say is this intense moisture treatment, just because it looks like it's gonna give my curls some nice hydration to it, not gonna make it feel dry. So I'm excited to try this. Also, if I had to pick another product, I would say the curl cream. I'm always on the hunt for like a good leave-in conditioner, and the fact that this product says right here that is a nourishing and moisture replenishing leave-in curl cream, I want to see how it pairs off with some of my other products that are kind of dry feeling, and if this will be a good base, and if it's going to feel heavy. So I really am excited. I'm excited for all of them, but these two especially I cannot wait to try out. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about in today's video. Very quick and to the point unboxing of this Bouclème collection. Now let me know down below if you have tried any of these products before. Have you heard of them? Which one are you kind of excited? If you wanted to try it out, which one would you get out of this little bundle right here? Let me know your thoughts. Now if you are watching the video to this point, we can do a lot of things. Let's see what emoji.
Do they have rainbows?
So let's go with that. So if you're watching the video to this point, leave me a rainbow emoji. I'll show you guys what it looks like up top. That way I know you're watching the video to this point. And I think that's about it. You have anything else, Anthony?
Alright, now simply based on color.
Okay.
Not even anything. Like not what it is, what the product is. Which one's like drawing your attention?
Which one?
Like that you're, just by the look of it, the vibe, the color, which one you choosing?
Maybe this yellow one. I feel like the yellow one is like really catching my eye. So it was a pink, so it was an orange, so it was a green, so it was a purple. But like this yellow one, like I looked at this one first. So I don't know. I'm excited. I mentioned that a lot throughout this video to try these products out, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.